Buenos tardes, amigos, amigas, from MEZCALA. And I'm here on the MALECON, and I'm going to try to do a quick video here. I was out here almost 2 months ago before I went up to the States, and I did make some videos here. I was with a woman friend of mine from Guadalajara, and I didn't think the videos were too good, so I didn't put them up. But I do have copies of the video footage, and here's a pier, nice pier. I'm gonna walk down here today and get down these steps here and try to get a closer look. Here, some boats out here. And you can go down over to across the lake to the island over there. And me and my friend, we almost went on a boat ride there to that island, but we didn't have enough time. So you can see mountains here. Maybe I'll come back and do that. There's homes back there. Okay, you can see the MEZCALA sign. Now, let's go around here. Whoa, I almost tripped on something. That's one of the hazards of being a walking YouTuber. Here's rocks. Pretty neat. You can sit on these rocks and just catch in a view. Okay, show you this. Okay, here, it's the tide for the boat. And I didn't see it, but that's okay. Okay, let's walk up here. Try to get a quick walk here because I'm waiting for my lunch. I actually came down here for breakfast, but time elapsed and time went by, and I'm getting lunch. There's restaurants out here, a couple mariscos. Walk this way. We had a little rain last night. Not much, but we had a little. We need more rain. And I'm eating at this restaurant again today. I was here before a couple months ago with a friend of mine. As I mentioned, try to get a shot of the MEZCALA sign here. Friendly dogs here in Mexico. They're not aggressive. Okay. I'll try to get a shot of the MEZCALA sign. We'll walk over here. Now I was in town a little bit more, and there were a group of Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts. So get up here. There's a ramp here. Benches to sit on. A lot of people, there's an activity here with the Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts, or both. Here's an amphitheater here. There's stands there. Okay, here's a scout leader, some adults, some scout leaders there, and there's kids going up here, going on a scouting trip. They're going over here. I want to get over here on this pier here and show you what it's like. Okay, this video will end pretty quick, so bear with me. You're going to catch more boats, more tour boats. Going over across the island to the island. A lot of boats out here. There'll probably be more people coming, and here's the shade. There's benches, and sorry about the video being a little shaky. This is a handheld video, and we are here in MEZCALA now. My lunch should be ready, and boat ride looks like it'd be a lot of fun. And maybe that's on my list. And I've never been on one of these boats, so that's next on my list. But today I just came out here for lunch, so I'll visit this area again. I like it here. So if you haven't tapped on that notification bell, please tap on that notification bell. You'll be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for viewing. Adios, amigos from MEZCALA.